We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda Dee. So welcome from Miss Brenda Dee and her family.
Hello everyone, how y'all doing on this nice beautiful day? Today I'm sharing with y'all some barbecue chopped chip beef, and here are our ingredients. This morning I'm gonna show y'all how I make my chip beef, barbecue chip beef. This is some leftover, I'm using some leftover brisket that I have. We had for like a couple of days ago that I need to do something with. And I also got some sliced beef, in which I'm gonna chop this up as well. And I got a chicken breast, I'm just gonna set that to the side. But I'm gonna show y'all exactly how I make my chip beef. Okay, I'm gonna remove this that my daughter has already chopped up. I'm gonna get y'all a little closer so y'all can see. Okay, some she has already chopped up for me, or some people call it chopped beef. Whichever you call it, that's what I'm making, some chopped chip beef. Okay, and this here, I'm gonna go ahead and chop this up as well. And place that on there. I'm gonna chop all of this up. And if you have some leftover beef that you need to do something with, this would be perfect for that. Okay, if you want to just make you a barbecue sandwich or something like that, and just do that. Chop it up. Okay, chop it. Finish chopping this up, y'all. Can y'all see? Okay. And y'all, the smoke is all through it. I smoked this for like 10 to 11 hours. And one day when I get a chance, I'm gonna show y'all how I do my brisket, how I smoke my brisket. Okay. So how have y'all been doing? I'm doing fine. We're still resting over the pre-Easter celebration we had, but I done rested up pretty good now. So we're good. I was kind of tired in my body, but we made it through. Okay. We want to get all of that. Okay, I'm gonna remove this. And now I'm gonna get ready to chop up my onion. Okay, how I'm gonna do this, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut my onion in half, as so. Okay. And then I cut it in half, and then I'm just gonna slice it. Okay, I'm probably just gonna use this part of it. I'm gonna place it in my pot. Okay. This is the way I'm gonna do it. And if you want to chop yours up in smaller pieces, you can, but I'm not. I'm just gonna place it in there just like so, okay? This is so easy to make. Here I'm gonna add some, I'm not gonna show y'all the brand, but this is a vinegar based barbecue sauce. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add that. If you can find a vinegar based barbecue sauce that's your favorite, you use it. I'm gonna pour that on it. Okay. Let me bring it out some, y'all. Okay. And I also got you can use, this is another kind I use. I'm gonna add this. This is a semi-sweet barbecue sauce, and I'm gonna add that. Or you can add the Sweet Baby Ray if you prefer. Because you know Sweet Baby Ray has a sweet taste. I try to mild out the taste. I don't want it to be have that tangy taste, but not sweet. It got like a semi-sweet taste, but not all the way. Okay, I got another bottle here. Okay. Okay, we're gonna stir this around. First, before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and do this. I have some garlic powder. I'm gonna add a little garlic powder to mine. Just maybe like a half a tablespoon, not a whole lot. The same with the onion powder. We're gonna do the same, like a half a tablespoon. That's it. And some black pepper. A little black pepper, okay? I get so many comments on this chipped beef, y'all. And so I decided to share with y'all this recipe. This is a recipe that I made up myself. Somebody else's may be better than mine, but this is what my family really enjoys. Okay. And this is what I do. Okay. This that I got a little bit left in this bottle. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some water. I'm gonna fill this bottle up with water. I may not use it all. I'm shaking it up. I'm gonna put it a little bit in there till I get what I'm looking for. Let me say it like that. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more because what we're gonna do, you can do it a couple of ways. You can put this in the oven. You can put it in a crock pot. I prefer it in a crock pot, but today we're not gonna use a crock pot. We're just gonna use the stovetop method, okay? I'm gonna put a little bit more of that in there. Because like I say, we want this to simmer. So I put enough liquid in there so it can simmer. I'm gonna add just a little bit more, and then I'm gonna taste it. And then you can also use, if you want it like spicy, add some cayenne pepper to it if you prefer it like that. If you want some jalapenos in it, add some jalapenos in it. Make this recipe yours, okay? But believe me, I know you will enjoy it. Now you know what to do with that leftover brisket. Okay. I'm gonna taste. Okay. Add just a little bit more of this can. And this. Okay. Okay, y'all, let me taste it one more time. Let me get another fork. Taste it. Now it's good to go. I'm gonna place this on the top of the stove. Like I say, let me move this. Clean up a mess. I'm gonna place it here, top of my stove over here. And I'm gonna let this start to simmer, and I'm gonna be back and show y'all how I want it to simmer, or the way that you should simmer it, okay? I'm gonna be right back. Okay, as y'all can see, this has started simmering. I'm gonna turn this down. I got it on high, but I'm gonna turn it down to maybe a 2 or 3, and let this simmer for like 30 minutes to an hour. The longer you let it simmer, the better it is. But since I need to go ahead and just show y'all how the end result, it's gonna be good regardless, even with 30 minutes. But because the beef is tender, I should have shown y'all that the beef is tender, and it'll be good just simmering on 30 minutes. Okay, but I'm gonna reduce this heat, like I said, to like a 3, and time to time go back and check it to make sure it's not sticking in one spot or anything like that. Just let it simmer slowly, okay? Just let it simmer slowly. Okay. I'm gonna let this continue to simmer for like 30 minutes to an hour, and then we're gonna be right back. Okay, y'all, we are back. I'm gonna stir this up a little bit. Let me remove the lid. I'm gonna stir this up. Just make a mess, y'all. Hold on a minute. Okay. Show y'all this a little closer. As y'all see, I got some pickles and onions at the side. I just love to eat the pickles by themselves. I'm not gonna put it on the sandwich. I'm just gonna eat them on the side of my chipped beef, my chopped beef. Okay, I'm gonna place this and let y'all see it. Place this on there, and there's a piece I didn't even chop, y'all. Okay, let me add just a little bit more, because I just eat this like with a fork on my plate. There. Y'all see how good that looks? Put just a little bit more on here. Okay. I have my top Okay, there you go. Let me wipe up my plate just a little bit, y'all. Area. Okay. Go. There you have it. This is my chopped beef sandwich. Like I say, I use a fork or a spoon and just eat it just like that. Okay, y'all. I hope y'all enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell so y'all can get our new and upcoming videos. And to all my new viewers and subscribers, you are welcome, welcome, welcome to our channel. Okay, y'all. Well, I hope y'all enjoy this. And don't forget to go over there and check out our family channel, Miss Brenda Dee Place. Okay? Okay? As always, I'm going to say, y'all have a blessed day. And bye-bye for now. Love y'all. Stay safe and be blessed.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda Dee. So welcome from Miss Brenda Dee and her family.
That's a hit.